Friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Samsung phone guys tag size setting guys. How can we change in our Samsung phone? As you can see guys, your phone this tag size like this software up there, like this battery setting like this, location privacy location guys, this tag size guys you want to change in your Samsung phone. So how can you change? In this video guys I will show you. So before starting video friend, first of all go and subscribe the channel and click the bell icon. So when we will on our phone setting guys, we will scroll it. Friends, you can see your display and brightness setting guys, tap here. Then guys again scroll. Friends, you can see font size and style guys, tap here. Friends, you can see font size mean guys your text sizes. So friends, you want to change from here guys, you want to change into guys any large, you want to change into guys small size, you can change from here. So we will change into guys very large size guys. Tap here, come back. So friends, you can see your phone tag size guys, you can check friends. So like that guys, you can change your phone tag sizes in your Samsung mobile. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video, bye guys.